Hi kids, hope all of you are fine and staying safe. Have you all by heart your multiplication table? I hope so. Yesterday I gave some homeworks on division. Have you all done that? All of you please listen here carefully. Put down all your pencil. All of you sit straight. Keep calm. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Open your eyes. Take a deep breath. Now you feel fresh, no? In the last class I gave you some homeworks. Do you have any confusion with that? I think one problem you have some confusion. Please listen here. I will explain here. All of you look at the question. This was our question. 9691 divided by 3. How will you do this? 3 is the divisor. Write 3 outside and dividend inside. Draw line like this. How many times is 9 a multiple of 3? Yes, we know that 3 into 3 equal to 9. Subtraction. 9 minus 9, 0. Then we write bringing down next digit to here. 6. How many times 3 in 6? 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. We know that 3 2s are 6. Draw a line. Subtract this. 6 minus 6. We get 0. Then bringing down the next digit here 9. How many times 3 in 9? 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Draw line. Subtracting 9 minus 9, 0. Then look here. Next is 1. Bringing down 1 here. Is it the remainder or is the division over? We got the lesser number than the divisor. But look here, this is the next place. This is the digit in the ones place. So this division is not over and this is not the remainder. Bringing down 1 here. Look here. How many times 3 in 1? No. Division is not possible. So we put 0 here. 0. 3 into 0. 0. 3. Then subtract 1 minus 0. 1. Then like this way we get the remainder. This is the actual division. You have to correct it. Okay. So our quotient is 3230 and remainder equal to 1. And then how will you check the division? Check dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Put this in a box. Dividend equal to, which is the dividend? 9691 is the dividend equal to divisor. Divisor is 3 into quotient. Quotient is 3230 plus a remainder. Remainder equal to 1. That is 3 into, first you have to do this. 3 into 3230. 3230 into 3. 0 into 3. 0. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 9690. 9690 plus 1. that is equal to 9691. Thus our answer is correct. Okay. If you have any correction, please do that. All of you listen here. We will do one more example. You put the question number correctly. 9543 divided by 3. Put down your pencil. After that you can write. Okay. Now listen here. 3 is the divisor. We put 3 outside. Writing the dividend inside 9543. Please draw the line like this. If you draw line like this, division won't get more complicated. Okay. Then now we take the first digit 9. How many times 3 in 9? We know that 3 3s are 9. Draw line. 9 minus 9, 0. Bringing down 5 to next place. 5. How many times 3 in 5? We know that 1 into 3, 3. 2 3s are 6. We cannot write 6 here. So we write 1. 3, 1 is 3. Look, I put the correct digit in the correct place. If you draw line like this, then only you can write like this. Okay. Draw line. 5 minus 3, 2. 5 minus 3, this is the remainder to here. Then we have 2 more places. Bringing down this 4 here. Now this become 24. How many times in 24? We know that 3 8s are 24. So I write 8 here. 3 8s are 24. Draw line. Subtract. 4 minus 4, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. Bringing down next digit. 3 here. How many times? 1 3. 1 3 is 3. Draw line. Subtract. 3 minus 3, 0. So our quotient equal to 3181 and remainder equal to 0. Now we can check the division. Look here, for checking the equation, we write the equation dividend equal to divisor into Q plus R. Q is a quotient, R is the remainder. Capital Q and capital R. That is dividend. Dividend is 9543 equal to divisor 3 into quotient 3181 plus remainder 0. Then we can do our multiplication. It is 3181 into 3. 3 into 1, 3. 8 3s are 24. 24, we write 4 here. 2, balance 2. 1 into 3, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 3 3s are 9. Look at the answer, 9543 equal to 9543. Look at the divisor. This answer is correct. So our division is correct. Write this in your notebook. division by 10, 100, 1000 without long division method. Look here, this is our first number 147 divided by 10. How many zeros in 10? Yes, there is 1 zero. There is only 1 zero. So I have to take one digit as the remainder. As here only 1 zero, I take one digit as the remainder from the ones place. When number is divided by 10, the digit in the ones place is taken as the remainder. So what will be the answer? Quotient equal to 40 and a remainder equal to 7. All of you look here, listen here. Then second question, 2549 divided by 10. What will be the answer? Here also the divisor is 10. So only one digit in the ones place is taken as the remainder. What will be the quotient? Yes, quotient equal to, say louder, 254. Then what will be the remainder? Louder please. Yes, 9. Then look at the third question. 13,526 divided by 100. Here how many zeros? Yes, 2 zeros. So how many digits I have to take as a remainder? How many digits will go in the remainder place? Yes, 2 digit will go as the remainder, as here 2 zeros. So 2 places, ones and tens go as the remainder. So quotient will be 135 and remainder will be 26. Then look at the fourth question. 246 divided by 100. How many digits go as a remainder? Yes, we have to take 2 digits as the remainder. What has here? It is 2 zeros, 2 digits. Quotient equal to 2. Remainder equal to 46. Look at the fifth question. 1000. 6472 divided by 1000. How many zeros here? In 1000, 3 zeros. So how many digits go as a remainder? Ones place, tens place and hundreds place. 3 places go as the remainder. So here the quotient will be 6 and remainder will be 472 will be the remainder and quotient will be 6. Like this you have to do exercise 5.4. Homework, page number 127, exercise 5.4a. Find quotient and remainders without doing long-term division. No need of doing long-term division here, only find quotient and remainder using the easy method. For 1 0, 1 remainder, 2 0, 2 remainder. All of you do it in your notebook.